Sector Gamma, Crate 7B is secure. Moving to unload.
Roger that. Keep it steady. Forklift approaching.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Check the seal on Crate Gamma 7.
Looks secure. Logging the data now. Batch number confirmed on the scanner.
All right, verify against the manifest. All parameters are within tolerance.
Attention all floor staff. Please ensure all inbound shipments are processed by 1600 hours. Thanks, Switchboard.
Check the seals on pallet 4.
Scanning batch 7G. All clear.
Ensure the thermal regulators are stacked evenly.
Yes, calibrating placement now.
Precision is paramount. Here, every movement, every component contributes to a symphony of manufacturing excellence.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Metrology reports green on the latest casing.
Good. Start the next run immediately.
Temperature levels are stable at 200 Kelvin.
Proceeding with the coating application now. Alignment confirmed on Guidance System 2. Tolerances are nominal.
Acknowledged. Proceed with sealing.
This control surface must be perfectly flush.
Agreed. The slightest deviation compromises the aerodynamics.
Check the tolerances on that last run.
Looks good, within 5 microns.
The gentle whirring you hear is the sound of precision.
It's a symphony of advanced materials being shaped with perfect accuracy.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Guidance system calibration complete. Proceeding with the structural component integration. Verify the surface roughness at point C7. Make sure it's within the nanometer tolerance.
The surface finish is critical here. Ensure the roughness average is within tolerance.
Attention to detail is paramount here. We are ensuring every component meets the highest standards before moving to the next phase.
This reading seems slightly off on the guidance component. Let me recalibrate the sensor and recheck.
Our technicians utilize advanced coating equipment to protect the guidance systems, guaranteeing accuracy and quality. Ensure the alignment is within tolerance before proceeding.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the coating application.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
The parameters are set. Run the diagnostic.
Running. All indicators are green.
The coating thickness is within the optimal range.
Thermal resistance check initiated.
The spectral analysis shows no defects in the multi-layer application. We are clear for final curing.
Analyzing surface deviation on component B12. Reviewing tolerance metrics.
Data confirms optimal alignment. Proceeding with stress test parameters.
The guidance system integrates tiny circuit boards and delicate components for flawless operation.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing factory tours and engineering documentaries.